Welcome back again. It's your girl Atafa the Press. Well, my people, me here for drop the real news, news, reviews, everything in a one right. That's all right, dear my people. So all I want to know to do is like up the video, share out the video, subscribe to my channel, my people. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Let's get right into it.
A corrupt government cannot liberate the people. If the head of the stream is corrupt, the entire river will be also.
Bahamas Prime Minister Philip Davis is urging the local media to keep crime off the front pages amid concerns that the tourist sector, the lifeblood of the chain of islands, could be severely affected. My viewers and subscribers, I want next Andrew Holness this now, the Prime Minister of Bahamas, I tell the media, say, if we keep the crime off of the front pages. Why? Why? Because you don't want the tourists them to know. So whole heap of crime are going in the country because you want to make money. Me tell you, say, all them a politician here talk about is money. This money, I must Andrew Holness family. This money, Andrew Holness are the same mindset Andrew Holness have. This is why you see him fight the US advisory. You understand? This money now. Before listen to what this man just say. Bahamas Prime Minister urges media to keep crime off front pages. What wicked hand that you want? And at the same thing, Andrew Holness, them have tried fight the US advisory for the same thing. The only thing that this man come out bold, He come out bold and say it. Them something you know right. Before you try to reduce the crime and put something in place. This a man you don't want the media bombard. Uno corrupt bad. Uno corrupt tourist people. All of the tourists them. We are watching my channel. If US embassy, if UK embassy, Canada embassy, wherever embassy uno come from, put out an advisory, uno follow it. You hear? Because when uno God go at the country them, uno now go get the best care. Uno look for. Uno now go get it. You understand me? Uno now go get it. Whether uno have insurance or uno not have insurance, uno still now go get it. You understand me? Because if them a treat for them people bad, uno thinks that uno them a go treat good. Really and truly. But there's a reason why uno see me draw for this when me see it in the paper, It's a Jamaica article, me see it in, and me say, what? Let me just bring this across so you see what's really happening. You get me? So when I see the article I put out this, I just show them, I show up the Bahamas. When I see the Jamaica article I put this up, them I try to show up the Bahamas, If I try to say Jamaica better than Bahamas. It make no difference. This only things that this money come out and tell themselves to keep it off front pages. But no difference from what Andrew Holness do, because Andrew Holness fight the US advisory to take it down, to say crime and violence not up. Crime and violence is still up. Nothing no change. A PLI will not tell. PLI will not put out about crime reduce, crime reduce. Crime not reduce, nothing my viewers and subscribers. Look how much people are dead. You not see what go on. Look how much people are dead. And enough people will die also. You not even sitting at the paper. You get me? You don't even sitting at the paper. But you tell me what you think about this, Tell me what you think about this and put an honest opinion in the comment section. Anyway, hear this. Justice Minister Delroy Chuck has criticized the United States government over its travel advisory, encouraging its citizens to stay away from Jamaica due to a rise in violence. My viewers and subscribers know. You see, you have this man, Delroy Chuck, is a very arrogant man. This MP, this claim says a justice, minister of justice, I come out and I criticize the United States. Kupa Delroy Chuck too. I always get up and I criticize everybody. For what reason? You know what? The other country them protect them people. They're not like you and Andrew Holness, because Andrew Holness have put you, Delroy Chuck, up to all these things. Other countries them a protect them citizens. Them stay so from long time. They not take bribery. Them stay so from long time. You understand? So remember, you know, I only say once a crime reduce. But you know what come out and I say, United States government over its travel advisory encouraging its citizens to stay away from Jamaica due to a rise in violence. And that you just say, you know, so uno say the crime and violence increase. Uno know that because you said that. This is why the article put it out. You said that. So the people them, they have to protect their citizen. Delroy Chuck. This is not a joke thing. You see, people life is not a joke thing. Uno labor right, uno JLP take people life for joke. But it's not all countries like that. And not all country is like that. When it come to UK resident, when it come to America resident, Canada resident, Australia resident, them try to protect their people. So if they insist that the crime and violence is to an extreme, you understand? Obviously, and they insist that the crime and increase all the time. Of course, them are going to tell them people, say, don't go there, so don't go there, so don't go there, so. If uno go and uno own, I just saw it go. But them advise them to do the right thing. What is wrong with that? What is wrong with that, Delroy Chuck? You need to go sit down because you're just a bully. You're just an arrogant old man, and you need to go and sit down because you don't have nothing about yourself. You don't like black people. That's a number one. You not like black people. So I don't know where you come from with yourself. But you're a house leader in a house of parliament. This is the man, you know. This man, Delroy Chuck, is the man that stand up in a parliament and I say whether Madam Speaker Juliet Holness is right or wrong, her final decision is her final decision. This a man I want to see me. This a man I want to see me have up right now, Delroy Chuck. But him, I can't criticize. Who the hell you think he is? But not criticize. Criticize what? You can't criticize the United States government. You can't criticize nobody. You corrupt. You were corrupt, and your prime minister were corrupt. Can't criticize nobody. You can't criticize nobody. I sit down if you go sit down, boy, you're house leader. Boy, you're house of representative leader. Sit down if you go sit down. This is why, you see, this is why I tell Uno, so if you vote out Andrew Holness, because Andrew Holness no mean nobody good. Andrew Holness no mean nobody good, and Uno can't see that. The people, them are trying to protect them citizens and say the crime and violence is so bad in Jamaica. The healthcare system is so bad. And them are trying to protect them people by saying, look here, Uno can't go there so, and this and that can happen to Uno. So for now, until it reduce, Uno stay put. What wrong with that, Delroy Chuck? Uno sister, Uno wicked. Uno want to kill off everybody one by one. You and Andrew Holness. That's all Uno want to do. Kill off Jamaican people one by one. I mean, I know how Jamaican people can say what really are going. But my viewers and subscribers, Uno tell me what you think about this man, Delroy Chuck, and put on an honest opinion in the comment section. Hear this.
Anyone who has had to wait hours to be treated at a public hospital or clinic, or who has been admitted and had to sleep on a bench, can testify to the fact that Jamaica's healthcare system is currently on life support. Throwing more money at the problem will not fix it. One just has to look at the billions this administration has thrown into Cornwall Regional Hospital. The PNP plans to reform the regional health authorities to make them more efficient by transforming human resources and procurement policies, investing in technology and maintenance to reduce the dependency on external services, resulting in a significant cost saving for patients and taxpayers. But national development starts local. This election, vote PNP. Put your X beside the head.
This is one thing Andrew Holness not investing in. He not investing in no healthcare system. He not investing in no healthcare system. He want everybody dead off one by one so he can sell out the whole of the land them to investors. Andrew Holness not care about nobody in the world more than him. More than him picking them in woman and in thief in concubines them. Andrew Holness don't care about the healthcare system. Because if Andrew Holness did care, remember say a long time people do video clips in years, you know. Remember say this man come in and say him go change, you know. More change everything, you know. Remember say him saying go through this go through struggles like we, you know. Remember him say him know everything what go on, you know, and through him young, him go change. But he didn't change nothing. What did he really do? You understand? He made we suffer more. This is what Andrew Holness do. So at first, I said it before, at first when Andrew Holness just win, it seems like he was doing good. But then after something happened, he just changed, and it's money. It's the lover. Andrew Holness is a lover of money. Andrew Holness will sell you out for nothing. Andrew Holness. Yeah. He loves so much money, and that him do. And Jamaican people is not seeing what Andrew Holness do. So when it comes to healthcare system, look what him do. Look what them put the money in a private this. Even Christopher Tufton, private that. That's all. Why you think he put it in private? Because private is money. If you want to see a private doctor, don't you have to pay? If you want to go to a private school, don't you have to pay? So on up in on mind, up in on a brain, on get some knowledge. From them I put so much money in private system. What that mean? That means say I just money the mind upon. He's not thinking about the public. He's not thinking about public school. He's not thinking about public hospital. As he would invest. It's just all about money. And you have to understand that, my viewers and subscribers, Andrew Holness don't care, in care less. But you tell me what you think. Put an honest opinion in the comment section. Like up the video, share it out, and subscribe to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. And big up on a nice clean self. I'm out.